Take 3. Alright, hello guys. This is the third episode. So welcome to another episode of ROBLOX Game Development. And it's not the third episode. It's the third try at this episode. Technical difficulties galore. Let me tell ya. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. Today our plan is going to be making the lasers disappear after you've shot them. I know this episode's late again, guys. It's not as late as yesterday's, but it is late, so I'm sorry. I'm trying to get them out on time, but it's hard. Hopefully tomorrow's will be. Anyway, let's go to the starter pack and firing, right? Yeah, let's go to firing. Alright. Now, as you see, we have a remove bullet already in here, right? Okay, so we're going to actually add another script here, and we're going to call it remove laser. And this script is actually going to be really simple. It's just going to wait 3 seconds and then script that parent remove. What this is going to do is we're going to put this script into each of the laser bricks, and then 3 seconds after we undisable or enable this script, it's going to remove the laser. So we're going to click X. We're going to click disabled on that script. Go to firing now. Okay, sound good? Good. Okay, so firing now. And scroll down here. Alright, this is actually it. And remove laser equals script.remove laser clone. And remove laser.parent equals laser. Correct? Yes. And then at the very bottom is when we finally want to do remove laser.disabled equals false. And what that'll do is it'll re-enable the script so that it actually starts removing the lasers. I also want to do one more thing today before we test this. I want to make this look at better. So I want to actually just remove that minus chart at head position, because I want to see if that will make our guns more accurate. In the last episode, we found out that it just wasn't accurate enough, right? It wasn't aiming at the zombie correctly. Well, I wanted to fix that. So, let's see if this is more accurate. It's backwards now. And they're still not removing themselves. Well, one of them did, but these should have too. Let's see. They've got the script in them, but they're still disabled. Huh. Alright, so much for that idea with the look at thing. So we'll just copy this and put it back in. Down here. There we go. Alright, but why wasn't that working? Remove laser.disabled equals false. Oh, that's because if the hit equals nil, it's just going to return and finish the function. So actually we want to do this here before that return. That's what the problem was. Alright, so now when we press F6, everything should work fine and dandy, folks. Fine and dandy. Still not perfect aiming. I looked into the issue and I can't figure out the problem with our aiming per se. But I guess it's not the worst aiming ever. Like if, wait, let's see. Yes, they're removing. Alright, let's see if it'll still hurt this guy. Okay. See, the lasers are off. I'll aim at this guy's head, and it hits his arm. Like, what the heck? Right? So that's the big problem that I want to figure out. And that 3 seconds is way too long. But we can tinker with that easily. I want to check now if semi-auto will still work. Alright, semi-auto bullets still work. Burst. Burst still works perfectly fine. And how about automatic? Boom, automatic. All of them still work. Everything's beast. See, now these seem to work almost perfectly. I mean, I know they have gravity issues, but why don't the lasers do this? I mean, if I got close enough, there we go. See, I don't know. I'll figure that out. I'm sure, maybe, hopefully. If not, at least we got a working laser gun. So that's it for the laser gun, guys. Next up, actually, a lot of people have been requesting making a GUI shop. So we are going to make a GUI shop next. We're going to make a GUI shop for in-game purchases, which aren't going to be like actual Robux and stuff. It'll just be in-game purchases that only apply to your game. And then there will also be things like buying game passes, buying gear, stuff like that in-game. I will admit though, I'm not going to be testing those out per se, because that means I lose Robux. Maybe I can find a way. I don't know. I'll make a game pass. A game pass alone is expensive in Robux to have for a game. But I'll make a game pass for this game. Maybe you guys could come over, check it out, and donate by buying the game pass. That would actually be really helpful and cool. I'll make the game pass super cheap. Like, if there's a minimum value on how much a game pass can cost, it'll be that. If there isn't a minimum value, I'll make it like 10 Robux. And that's it. So that's my goal, is to teach you guys how to do that next. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or the dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video. And I will catch you guys later.